What's up, guys? Back with you for another video. Today what we're going to be doing is pretty much trying to get the rear main seal and the oil pump on. First thing I'm going to do is clean this up with a little wire brush, some soap and water, get this old seal out, get the new seal in. So let's just get started with the cleaning. Simple green and some wire brushes. I got a gasket scraper. Get all the old gasket off and just get ready to put this back on the engine. Now we gotta try to get this seal out, man. Just a quick cleaning. Check that out. You gotta take the seal out though. Make sure no old gasket material is on it. There we go. We're gonna get all this old stuff off right here. Like that right there. Just use this, get it off, just like that. Sometimes just get the right tools for the right job, man. It's just so much easier. Like I didn't want to buy a razor. I didn't want to scrape anything. This just works perfectly. All right, gasket's all off. Now let's figure out how to get this seal out. See if I can push it out. I don't think that's gonna happen though. It's in there pretty tight. Good. So couldn't get it out by hand. See if this works out. So check this out. Here's what I did. I took the one off my GSR with it on the engine, so I may have to do that for this one. I may just swap my GSR one on this engine, or I might just try to get this one off, but that's how I did it. You just need some kind of leverage to get that off. So before you put your engine on the stand, go ahead and take your your rear main seal off, replace it and put it back on if you can. Because it's gonna be tight getting in here to try to put it back on. Just a tip, definitely try to do that. And when you replace it, use your old seal to tap the new one in. Jesus Christ. All right, so we got our rear main seal in here. But here's the one we want. And you can match that up with the old one, make sure it's the same thing. They actually have the same numbers and everything on them. Made in Mexico. Or whatever. So how we gonna get this in? We're gonna oil this up a little bit. Place this on a flat surface. Take our old seal, put this on top of our new seal, so we hammer it in nice and level. There she goes. Make sure your spring is intact. Everything looks good. All right, man, and that's the rear main seal install. Let's get this on the engine. You want to line those two flat spots up. Make sure you line those up. And yeah, put your gasket sealant on and put it on.